The process map is typically a diagram to represent a flow of activity to finish a product or provide any services. For example, a cell phone manufacturing process turns raw material into a phone. It is important to continually improve the process according to the purpose. Let's see some type of process maps. High-level process map. We have to imagine observing the process from very high up and drawing only the macro activities. Detailed process map provides sufficient information to help the team understand the great detailed. Swim lane process map. This type of map is used when the process goes through different departments of the organization. This map is very useful for study of transactional process and services. Value stream map. It is a map where data is collected, both on the flow of material and information. It is an operational map to improve the performance of production line. To know more about process mapping, subscribe us, and we will keep on sharing more information about these maps.